Okay, we got some more product just came in. So this is apparel stuff. So these are the shirts I've been waiting for. We redesigned them again, and we're filling up inventory that we ran out of a bunch of stuff. All the popular black stuff we're out of, so I restocked all of that. And I played with my logos again a little bit. Always playing around. So we also got some hats available now. Got a white one and a black one. So these are trucker hats with a cotton solid hard front instead of the foamy ones like I didn't like, and customers didn't really like them too much. So these are the stick-on iron heat transfer vinyl, whatever they want to call it. So these are the cheaper hat. Not exactly cheap, it's still a Yopong, so it's not a throwaway hat. I will have patches in about a month. I got a bunch of them on order, they're coming. So we'll have patch version of this too, where it sticks on with a patch. Heat transfer, whatever you want to call it. So, same thing. I got some other style hats I ordered up too, which was all the flex fit, the old style ones I had before. Ordered a bunch of different hats, but so far all I got are just these trucker hats came in. And then I got the, still working on doing the embroidery yet. They will be coming, just, guy's busy. It took me a while to get this order done. It's about a month to wait to get all this done. So basically what we did is we redesigned things a little bit again. So this is the old shirt that we made end of the year, December. So we had the street to strip with a Specializing Harley down under here. So the new shirts, I just have the street to strip on it. Cleaned up the logo a little bit. So on the pocket, all the pocket stuff, it's going to be on the pocket. So we had to shrink the logo about a 1/4 inch to fit onto the pockets, onto the pocket tees. So we had to shrink a little bit. On the regular shirt, they grew. So they're actually a little bit bigger now than we had before. So they're about a 1/4, ½ inch bigger. Don't remember exactly what the dimensions were, but there you go. Yeah, 1/4, ½ inch more or something. So this one over here, it shrunk by about the 1/4 inch amount. He was trying to keep it as big as he could, so yeah, maybe a 1/4 inch difference there. So yeah, we got that coming. So we just put the street to strip on the front. So that's in everything here. See, I'm standardizing my logos. We have the two-tone gray on the piston logo now instead of different tones to it, so it looks a little cleaner. I think so anyway. Basically just getting the details a little better. Then on the back of the shirts, we put the street to strip on the back and the Specializing Harley on the back. So only the black shirts are going to have the white writing on it, like this. All your black, or all your other color shirts will have the black writing. I think it looks better with the black writing. So that's the difference. And the only other shirt that might get white is the forest green shirt, maybe. I'm not sure. So we did all that, and the other difference is the logo got bigger. So this logo here now is bigger. So it grew by a couple inches, depending on what shirt you had before. So my original shirt, this is 2 inches smaller than this one. And the writing obviously bigger also. The other shirts that I had printed early December, they were in between. They're 1 inch bigger than this, but they're 1 inch smaller than this one. So I made the logo bigger so it fills up your back, but it doesn't get so overburdened. It doesn't look right. So hopefully you like that. I'm just taking feedback from what everybody says and playing with things a little bit. So and the shirt guy is willing to play also without killing me on my pricing. Now this is my front logo shirt. This is back logo. So if you notice, this is actually on the front of the shirt. See, here's your label. So the front now logo has the front logo. And then on the back of the shirt, instead of being nothing like the old shirts were, we have the Tatro machine script on here. Yeah, hold on a minute. So there you go. We got the Tatro Machine logo in here like that. So see if you like it. Alright, we're back. I forget what I was doing. I got interrupted so many times. Alright, so there's the script style lettering. I don't know if I should make a shirt with that on there or not. So anyway, that's on the back of the front logoed shirts. So should I make a shirt with just this on there or something? Let me know. Do it on the front, back only, whatever. Let's see, we got some work shirts in, some red cap stuff. So that's these ones. So some guys want a work shirts, button down work shirts. So got some of them in. Not sure the pricing yet, but I think they're close to like what the hoodies cost, so we'll see. So anyway, I got a bunch of those. So we had to put the logo on this side because there's a pin over here, so you can't put the thing in there that does the lettering. And of course, it has the big logo on the back too, like that. So there you go. So we got a few of those in. We just sold out of all the large. That didn't take long. Lots of hoodies. So like I got pullover hoodies, I got zipper hoodies, depending on what you want. So these are the same ones I had before. We just have the updated logos on it, like everything else. Got some more military shirts in. The brown ones came in. DOD ones are all back ordered. Haven't even listed those yet, but I got them. Dropping hats all over the place already. So we'll have some more hats here in a couple weeks, hopefully. We'll see. Well, that's for now. Basically just filled in my inventory. So we got some different blues now. This is a Hanes blue. This is alstyle blue. So Hanes has the pockets, and the alstyle shirts are going to be no pocketed. So that's the difference on my shirts. Trying to standardize what's going on. So Hanes has different colors than what the alstyles are. Lots of different white shirts with pockets, without pockets. So like I said, we're just filling in all the inventory. There's other stuff on the bottom down here. There's orange ones and black ones and red ones and green ones. I can't remember. There's a bunch of black ones. Yeah, a lot of black ones there. I must order a lot of black shirts because they ran out so fast. We got more of them over here. Yep, lights on. There's some short sleeve shirts, no pockets. These are all style. So here's our white ones. Same logos and everything on. They all have the same logos. Big fat logo in the front and a real big one on the back. So there's your excuse me. So there's your white one. This must be a big shirt. Is it 2X or something? 3X. Yeah, that's why it's so big. So it's a bigger logo with a 3X shirt. You still got a logo. You can see when we did that before, it looked really small on the shirt because the damn shirt was so big. But with a bigger logo, it looks pretty good. Then we got yellow shirts back in stock. Looks like. If you like the yellow, yellow looks pretty good with the logo in the back. Pops it pretty good. The light color shirts do a good job with the logo sticking up. So we got some more reds. What else we got? Grays. Some more blues. Bunch of different ones. These ones down here are Hanes. So these are probably long sleeve, possibly. Yep, these are long sleeve down here with the pocket, obviously. And all the logos are on the pocket now. Oh, there's some more military shirts. I got some green ones. Oh, I did get some more green ones come in. All right. Those are hard to come by. Oh, no, those are different. Those are the all-style. Those are not the military shirts. Those are just military color shirts. There's my color. I like turquoise. There's some more grays, orange. All kinds of good stuff. So, yeah, let's see. Sophie's your military shirt. All-style is not. It's all style. So there's a green shirt. I like the green shirt. Military green shirt anyway. It's the only green shirt I wear is a military green. go, the logo on that. So I like the black writing. I don't like white writing. There you go, looks pretty good on there too. So there you go, lots of different ones. Making a big mess out of everything. So I'll be working the website, figuring out the mess, because right now the website's a junk. So I'll work on that next couple days. Try to get this mess figured out. So all this stuff will be available hopefully in a couple days. The stuff like the hoodie and stuff, I'm just going to add it to what's already up on the computer, but these news things here like I got, I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to do that. So some will get listed up late tonight, which will be tomorrow for most people, or but it's already 9:30. And then hopefully in the next couple days I'll have everything up. So we'll have the hats listed up in there and all that. Well, a lot of my other hat I had, so if you want one of those, you have to wait until I make them again. They're gone for now. So anyway, there you go. Let me know what you think of the logo, if you want me to put this on anything or not. You know, kind of decent, we'll figure it out. I got patches ordered in this size here, which is 2.5 inch, and then I got a 4 inch coming, which would be a little bit bigger than this one. So those are the stick-on, iron-on heat transfer patches. I'm working on stickers, but every time I buy something, it's another $300, $400, $500 and whatever you're buying, and for each kind of sticker you buy. So stuff adds up quickly. I priced out big patches like for like on the back of a jacket or something, and unless you want to pay $100 a pop, we ain't getting those. And those ought to be pre-ordered because I'm not going to buy them. I have to buy 50 at a time. That's a lot of money. That's $5 grand retail. Wholesale's not much better. So if you want stuff like that, we'll have to figure out how we're going to pre-sell or something. I don't know how I'm going to do that. So anyway, I'll do what I can do as I do it. So anyway, that's what you got. That's it. I'm going to go home. Bye.